In this video we're going to show you the best way to clean your computer screen. Keeping your screen clean improves the visibility and comfort for your eyes. Let's dive in. Dust, fingerprints, and smudges can accumulate on your screen, which can obscure your view and potentially harm the display if not cleaned properly. Regular cleaning ensures that your screen looks great and functions well. To start, you'll need some essential tools: a microfiber cloth, distilled water, and isopropyl alcohol. Avoid using paper towels, rough fabrics, or any cleaner containing ammonia or bleach as they can damage the screen. Safety first. Always turn off your computer and unplug it before cleaning. This is not only safer for you but also helps you see dirt and smudges more clearly on the dark screen. Begin by gently wiping the screen with a dry microfiber cloth to remove any loose dust. Use a circular motion and avoid pressing hard, as this could damage the screen. If there are still smudges left, prepare a solution of 50% distilled water and 50% isopropyl alcohol. Lightly dampen another microfiber cloth with the solution. Never spray liquid directly onto the screen. Use the dampened cloth to gently wipe the screen. Start from the top and move in a circular motion. Be sure the cloth is only slightly damp to avoid excess moisture, which can seep into the screen and cause damage. After cleaning, use a dry microfiber cloth to remove any moisture. Ensure the screen is completely dry before turning your device back on. And there you have it. Your computer screen is now clean and clear. Regular cleaning, done the right way, can help maintain your screen's clarity and responsiveness. If you appreciated this video, please give it a thumbs up. For more tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.